gonna do a little lower lash mascara. Oh, I don't like that dog on the bed. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I just wanted to show you guys my process of getting ready for the Davido Timeless tour. I'm going to the concert here in Houston, so that's tonight. So I wanted to show you guys my process of getting ready, you know, doing my makeup, getting dressed, putting my outfit on, and just kind of showing you guys my vibe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like this video, share it. I would love that. And yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so as you know, clearly I'm going to the Davido concert, Timeless tour. So let's get this makeup together because I definitely need to be ready by 6. No, I need to be ready by 7, and yeah, I'm wasting time talking. So first thing I'm gonna do is prime. And I'm using the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer by Charlotte Tilbury. I just put this on like so, and I've already done like skincare. Like I washed, I cleansed, I exfoliated, sunscreen, and also different serums. So my skin has been prepped, although I do need some chapstick, so I'm gonna run and put that on. You guys, I'm kind of rushing, so hopefully this video isn't too all over the place. Okay, got some lip gloss on, so now I'm gonna really get started. So I'm gonna just brush my brows up. That's normally what I do. I do like to use brow gel, but I don't have any right now. I actually don't have a lot of things. Like the normal brow pencil I use, I don't have the color I usually use, so I have the 2 different brow products that I'm kind of interchangeably using, but they both are kind of a little too light for me. But I'm just gonna first go in with the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Ash Brown. It's definitely a little, it just doesn't really show up because it's like an ash brown, and my brows are more dark, but it still gets the job done. So I'm just filling in my brows. I haven't done my brows in a while. I tried to kind of shape them up a little bit before this video. So because I don't have the, you know, normal product that I usually use for my brow that's dark enough, you know, I feel like the brow pencil like obviously did its job, but I'm just like going in with this brow. This is a lip liner, okay, but she's dark enough. This is actually Remedy by Ari, and then the color is Souffle, and I actually really like this lip liner. So I'm just kind of using it towards the end of my brows. Now I'm going to clean up my brows. So I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm going to use the color Maple. This is like I always use. And then I'm just going to use this brush that has like a flat, that's like flat like this, flat structure, whatever you want to call it. It's like a flat square brush, small flat square brush, and I'm just going to use that to clean up my brows. Sometimes I don't like to put makeup on the back of my hand because, like, you know, I'll forget to clean it off, and then like next thing you know it, makeup's on my hair or my robe or my shirt, you know. So I'm just gonna blend her out here, blend out the line of demarcation here. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up the top of my brows, and I usually use whatever foundation I'm using. I'm using the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation in the color 21W, and I'm using that to clean up my upper brows. So I already put some on the back of my hand, same brush, and I like to wipe off whatever excess makeup is left over from what I used to clean up my bottom brow. And then of course going back in with the fluffy brush and just blending things all the way out. I'm gonna just kind of add a little bit of concealer to my upper eye, and I'm using the Pat McGrath's concealer. This is the Sublime Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer, and I use the color MD23. So going into eyes, I'm going to use this Morphe palette. This is the Artistry palette by Morphe. So I'm going to start off with this orange color here, place it here. And this is a really like fluffy brush. Like the bristles are not like super dense, so I feel like you get more of a airbrushed finish as opposed to like you just packing color on. So it really like spreads. So now I'm gonna go into this, like, it's like a, I would say it looks kind of brown with like an orange undertone. And so I'm gonna use that right under where I applied that orange eyeshadow. And I feel like this kind of just like deepens it a bit because it's slightly darker, but I like this because it's giving me what I want. And I'm just gonna put that here and then the rest of the eyelid. And those are the only two colors I'm gonna use. And I often just go back and forth between the two colors to, like, you know, really get that gradient effect. I'm unavailable. See, yeah, I need to be singing the lyrics. I don't know the lyrics really. And so earlier today, I was like kind of trying to teach myself. I mean, I got some of the lyrics down, but I'm not gonna remember it for tonight, you know what I mean? I definitely said I wasn't gonna do liner, but I'm like feeling confident right now. So I'm gonna take this Better Than Sex, Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. What do we need waterproof for? I don't know. I'm literally just gonna trace my eyelid. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of mascara to my lashes before I place my lashes on my eyelid. And I'm just looking down into this mirror and putting some mascara on the measly lashes that I have left from them being ripped out from lash extensions. But I will say they're growing back. As far as the fullness, I'm just like, I feel like in high school I had like really long lashes because I remember like really being like in love with mascara. And like when I really took my time with the mascara, I remember just feeling like, dang, my lashes are long. Like, and they would be like thick and coated. But now I'm just like, I don't even think about that. I'm just like, lashes. I need lashes. Put the first one on. They're long as shit. I think I like them, and maybe they look slightly off, but that's okay. They're still cute. First, I'm gonna do some like minor color correction. And I would say when I really look at my face, it's literally just like kind of maybe like the bottom portion of my face that's a little bit darker. Or you know what I mean? So honestly, I just kind of like generously, but not so generously, mark up the bottom, you know, this part of my face. Maybe like here. And then of course underneath my eyes. So now I'm just gonna use this brush and just blend this in to my skin. Any discoloration I have, I'm dragging this there. And then I'm gonna get under the eye and I'm just looking up. I'm unavailable. Them know they see me. Okay, and then I have this horrid pimple on my forehead. I'm like, why? Why? So now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation, and this is the color 21W. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just do this a little bit of a not so conventional way, but that was lucky. That was lucky, because if it got on my brows or my lashes or my shadow, that would have been so. Okay, I'm gonna stop. We're blending. So I really like to use this brush, and this is the e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. And I feel like it really just works the foundation into the skin and gives you a really nice finish. Sometimes, but not all the time, I like to go back in with a beauty blender and just kind of use that to really further blend the foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the color Maple, and this is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm taking right under my eye. And I use a lot, but I try not to use too much. I'm gonna add a little here to my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna of course add to my nose, and I'm gonna bring that all the way up to my forehead, dragging, creating kind of like a half moon shape here, my chin. I'm gonna let her set for like a couple seconds and then we're gonna blend her out. So I'm just taking this makeup brush, a small concealer type makeup brush, and just pressing the concealer into my under eye area. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go in with a small beauty blender and I'm just using that to really work this concealer into my under eye. And I'm gonna take the beauty blender I used to blend out my foundation and I kind of just use it here on the side of my nose to kind of blend the concealer in with my foundation here so that there's not like a line of demarcation. And then I also do that around where I have the concealer, so I can kind of just blend the concealer with the foundation so everything marries together nicely and beautifully. I'm gonna go ahead and set with the Huda Beauty setting powder, and the color I use is honey, I believe. No, it is Kunafa. I'm just Kunafa. I don't know how to say that, but I said it in the most African Nigerian accent. But anyway, okay, so going ahead and setting her under here. We don't play about setting, okay? We want to make sure we look flawless underneath. And I love this powder because I feel like it's very like fine. It's a very fine powder and soft. So it's like butter. For my nose, I like to go in with a smaller brush. Like so. Chin, a little on my chin. I love to add on my chin. And I just kind of go around my nose like that. And then that's pretty much it for the setting powder. So for blush, I just go in with my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe face palette in the color That's Rich 8R. And I just go ahead and take the blush that they have here. And I just, you know, I love this brush because I feel like you get more of an airbrushy look. And I just kind of work it in and just kind of building. I do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my bronzer and I'm just gonna kind of work it on the bottom of this blush. Working it, and I'm gonna also do the same on the other side. It's annoying. So I'm actually gonna go back in with some powder underneath my eye. And just kind of bring it down a bit. I'm also gonna cut here as well. And I think that will help too with feeling like there's a little bit too much blush. You know, giving that cut. But I feel like when you do this, you need to make sure you like blend out, because I've had too many times where I've like not fully blended this shit out and it just looks wonky when you don't blend it. So I'm just gonna take like a brush that doesn't have any product and I'm just kind of trying my best to just really blend this in and kind of wipe away. And I feel like this really did tone down the blush a lot. And this is the same brush I used for my bronzer. I'm just going in and just contouring my chin area. Usually go in on the top, but I'm just gonna do a little bit. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and spray some setting spray. So I'm using the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. One of the best setting sprays ever. I'm actually going with two different ones. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And so I'm spraying this. We're gonna do a little lower lash mascara. Oh, I don't like that dog on the bed. Just adding a little bit to the lower lash. Please watch my dog for me, because he likes to pee on my bed. So basically I'm using the same color that I use on my under eye, or on my lid, sorry. The second color that I use. So this color right here, So I'm just using it on my lower lash. I don't know if this brush is really gonna do what I'm looking for because I already put my, normally I like to do this before mascara. Oh, but I'm going underneath. So I'm lining my lips with the Makeup Forever Crayon Matte, and I'm using the color 608 Limitless Brown. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors lipstick, and this is the color, it's the Velvet Mousse lipstick, really nice, and this color is called Cashew Later. Such a cute name. I'll put all the info for all the products that I use just in case, you know, I didn't get good info. So this is pretty much my finished look. So obviously I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna just fix my edges, put my outfit on, and then pretty much show you guys what I'm wearing, of course. And then I'll come back. By the way, I love this lip combo. It's giving. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm ready to go to the concert. So let's go. I'm gonna put on a necklace though. I didn't put on a necklace, so I need to do that. So yeah, ready.